Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the case and SIM tray so you can work safely. Next, blot excess chocolate immediately with a lint-free cloth. Pressing will push it deeper. Once done, use a soft toothbrush or short 1-2 second bursts of compressed air at a distance of 2-3 cm to loosen surface particles. Make sure to angle the device so gravity helps. You want debris to fall out instead of being pushed further into the speaker cavity. Now address sticky residue by using 70% isopropyl alcohol on a lightly dampened cotton swab. Do not soak it and avoid excess liquid. Carefully roll the swab along the grill edges and port openings to dissolve chocolate oils. You're aiming to lift, not push. If some bits remain, wrap a wooden toothpick with microfiber and very gently scrape along the mesh lines. Slow, controlled motions. Make sure to change swabs frequently. Contaminated swabs will redeposit oils instead of removing them. Finish by letting the area dry for 10-15 minutes so any remaining alcohol evaporates. A gentle fan speeds this up, but do not use heat. Once dry, power on and run a speaker test tone at low volume to confirm clarity. If sound is still muffled after a repeat of targeted cleaning, do not force internal access. Seek a professional repair. Opening modern phones without the right tools risks damage. If moisture or persistent clogging remains, a technician can safely disassemble and clean the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.